Hey, this is Mikey with a quick update and video about Element Glow version 2. Version 2 is finally out, and I want to go over the new features for it. If you don't know about version 1, Element Glow is a highly customizable, extremely fast glow plugin for After Effects. It basically renders instantly. This is 1080p footage, and you can see it doesn't doesn't slow down for anything. This is a custom blur algorithm that I've developed specifically for fast effects. You can see it just is almost like magic. What this also has is this innovative glow selection control, this histogram graph here. I can select exactly what I want to have glow. So if I, for this footage, you want the highlights to glow. But if you want to go by saturation, I can go by saturation as well. I can even go into just specific colors. Let's go back to luminance. I also have this threshold bar up here that helps kind of dial down exactly what you want to glow. It's a way of adding to the selection, and you can also invert the selection. Radius, how far out the glow goes. Intensity, if you crank it too much, it's just going to go white. That's expected. And then there's two new things here in this version. In this first one, people are asking, what is the formula for the glow? What kind of fall off do you have? Because there's a lot of different glow fall offs. And I decided not to be locked into one fall off, so we just created a fall off graph where we can just come in here and you can define exactly how much of a fall off you want, where you want it. You can even get a little crazy with it if you want. And let's bring down that intensity. I don't recommend this, but if you need it, it's there. There's a few more add modes, blend modes. We still have the tint control. This has been updated a little bit better. I finally figured out how to create an eyedropper, so that works as it should now. It's one of those things, the Adobe After Effects SDK just doesn't have an eyedropper available. So we have to recreate it in some sort of hacky way, but I got it working. And also we have this tint offset, which is really, really a cool feature. Now, one of the things that I've added is grain, and this is by request from Joey from School of Motion. And this just goes to show you we are open to feature requests, so reach out and we can do it. He's like, hey, add grain, and this is the best glow plugin in the world, and so I'm not going to back down from that challenge. And so we added grain. The grain applies in the glow, not over your whole footage, which is also a nice feature. And then we have an advanced tab where if you want to be able to use sliders for all of the range selector up here, if you need to get into it, we have that down there. Most people aren't going to use that, so it's hidden away in an advanced tab. This is Element Glow version 2. Oh, and one more thing. Works in Premiere Pro. That's a big thing. And all the same controls are the same. Just as responsive, if not more responsive, because Premiere Pro has a little magic that it does with video that After Effects can't seem to figure out. So this thing is fast. This is, again, 1080p footage, but, we can have it just playing and, response as it's playing, right? No slowdown. Really, really cool. Thank you. Check it out. elementsupply.co. The link is in the description. Element Glow version 2. Really cool update. The grain, the fall off curve. Very awesome new things. And it's available for Premiere Pro. We've got more updates for other plugins available for Premiere Pro soon, but we wanted to start with Element Glow because honestly, it's a really cool plugin. And who wouldn't want an amazingly customizable glow in your Premiere footage as well?